This video tutorial explains how to establish a wired connection between a MOVNORM series monitor and a Sony A7 IV camera. First, connect one end of the control cable to the remote port on the monitor, and the other end to the Type-C port on the camera. The camera will then display a USB connection mode selection window. Choose Remote Shooting. Next, proceed with the connection on the monitor. Tap the screen to bring up the menu, tap Camera, and select Wi-Fi USB to point for grams. When the monitor recognizes the camera, the connection is successful. If the camera is in video mode, tapping Rec will start recording. If the camera is in photo mode, tapping the shutter button will capture a photo. Tap Iris to adjust the aperture. Tap Shutter to adjust the shutter speed. Tap ISO to adjust the ISO sensitivity. Tap Focus. In AF mode, you can use touch focus and tracking focus. In MF mode, you can adjust the focus point by tapping the buttons. Tap WB to adjust the white balance mode. When the white balance mode is set to K Kelvin, tap CT to adjust the color temperature. That's all for this tutorial on wired connection between a MOVNORM series monitor and a Sony A7 IV camera using a USB-C control cable.